Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Lulu Game Man.
We got new toys.
Don't tell them not to get toys. So today we are playing some Roblox in high school. As you can see.
Oh, that's so funny.
And my sister's with me. If you didn't see last video, where I played some
Fashion Famous?
No. Yeah. I wasn't with her. Everybody's crying and we're sorry out. We need to play this game for sure. Stop it. If you see it, you can be it. If you be it, you can see it. You just hear me, I am. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry, I'm just looking at something over there. If you believe it, you can see it. I'm looking at something over there. Nay. Stop.
I'm leaving.
Okay, so there's a pencil, a nickname. What should my nickname be?
Unicorn Sparkle Bubblegum. Unicorn Sparkle Unicorn.
Sparkle. Cool.
We could do all of it if we wanted to miss what thing. Now I have a boost for falling off that chair. But it doesn't hurt for me. If we do it, you can see it. You're gonna take it. Oh no. Should we show them?
I like turtle if I'm saying that. Okay, let's go.
If you heard what I said, it is not clams, actually. It's nothing. I was just joking with you.
Yeah, it's really nothing.
Yeah,
You were just pretending.
she's pretty, white because I never
I'm
ever
pretty
had
dang
one
right.
before, and I never went to a party. I was just joking all the whole stuff.
Okay, I'm going to teleport in the map. Let's see our schedule. So, this is our locked thing of the day. Let's go to the let's go to the blimp. There's nobody there, but we can still go. Hang gliding! I love hang gliding. I need to hang glide. First one of those things I was just riding in. Lay it down. I got no time for turning it down. And I went to a store and I got this little guy. Oh. Wait, oh, I went past it. Let's see if we can get in through the door. Let me in! Oh, press. Phew. Okay. Okay. We are gonna unpress. Press! Ah! Press! Hang gliding! Unpress. We are on the roof of the school. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Hope you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll be back. Goodbye.